A great relationship with your dad can bring warmth, confidence, and balance to your life. When your dad is happy with you, life feels more supportive and connected. It's not always easy, but with the right effort, you can make him proud and strengthen your relationship. Here's how to make your dad genuinely happy and bring more love to your family. Build a strong connection. Spend time together. Even if your schedule is packed, try to spend some time with your dad every day. Sharing one meal a day can be a perfect opportunity to talk. Ask how his day was and share yours. If he tells you something, remember it and ask about it later. It shows you were truly listening. Asking your dad for advice, whether it's about school, friendships, money, or your future, makes him feel valued. He may not have all the answers, but knowing that you trust his opinion will mean a lot to him. Show affection. Simple acts of affection like saying I love you, speaking in a kind tone, or giving a hug can go a long way. Even if your family isn't very physically affectionate, warm gestures and caring words can help strengthen your emotional bond. Live by his values. Think about the values your dad teaches, like honesty, responsibility, or respect. Try to live your life by those principles. It shows him that his guidance matters. Respect him even when you disagree. When you hear a no from your dad, it can be frustrating. But instead of reacting with anger, take a moment to calm down. Have a respectful conversation later when emotions aren't running high. Showing restraint and maturity during disagreements will earn his respect in return. Take responsibility at home. Do your chores. Take care of your responsibilities without being reminded. If you're not sure how to do something, ask your dad for help. It can be a bonding moment. Take initiative. Notice what needs to be done and do it before you're asked. For example, clean a messy area or surprise him by making his morning coffee. Small actions go a long way. Keep your room tidy. Even if it's your private space, keeping your room clean shows that you're responsible and respectful of the home. Use tech responsibly. If your dad pays for your phone or internet, use them wisely. Don't overuse screen time and avoid trouble online. Show him that you respect both the device and his support. Care for your siblings. Help create a calm and loving home. Be kind to your siblings, help them with homework, and try to avoid conflicts. If you're old enough, drive them where they need to go to ease your dad's load. And do well in school. Study smart. Show your dad that you care about your future by putting effort into your studies. Finish your assignments on time, ask questions when you're unsure, and aim to do your best. Your hard work will speak for itself. Be respectful to teachers. Even if you don't like a certain teacher, always be polite and participate in class. When teachers praise your behavior and attitude, it reflects well on you, and your dad will feel incredibly proud. Join extracurricular activities. School isn't just about academics. Participating in sports, music, clubs, or other activities helps you develop important life skills like teamwork, discipline, and leadership. Plus, they're fun. Your dad will be happy to see you grow into a well-rounded individual. Make good friends. Surround yourself with people who are positive, focused, and respectful. Good friends can help keep you out of trouble and push you to do better. When your dad sees that you choose your friends wisely, he'll feel confident in the choices you're making. Thanks for watching. Now go make your dad smile today.